Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to unbox the new ACER VG271UP. It's a completely new monitor from Acer. I bought it because I thought, why not? It looks so good and I needed a new one that is IPS. So I bought this and I will review it and unbox it in this video. I bought the monitor for 4K crowns, which is around $600 and 500 euros. The monitor is actually very good for the price because it has IPS, 2K resolution, 144 Hz and 1 millisecond response time. In the box there comes a monitor stand, power cable UK, power cable EU, HDMI 2.0, USB 3.0 to display, and a manual. The resolution is insane, 2K and IPS, so that means that the colors are very nice in-game. And also when you look at films maybe or rendering videos, it looks very good. This monitor is way better than my other monitor, which is a BenQ TN panel. It's probably because it has IPS and not TN, that's why the colors are just way better. But I haven't had it for so long, it's just my first impression of it.